All right, guys. So now we're gonna mock up the exhaust. We had to redo the header because it was touching the steering shaft right here. So we're gonna try and make it as close as possible to the block, basically pushed in all the way. So we have this bend, and we're just gonna start cutting it. And we're also gonna weld today. So hopefully works out. We can make it fit. And yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So Joe, explain to them what's going on.
Cut this. This is like a 45, no?
Yeah, it's 45.
So you cut it here.
So basically we cut it so that this is pushed in all the way.
Yeah.
You can see the distance between right here. The gap is a lot smaller, so the steering shaft should be able to clear that. I think it's even a little bit more clocked this way. Yeah, right here. So you can see it's the fitting is super tight. So that means it should be able to fit with the steering shaft. It should go like right here instead of, yeah. We can kind of compare it here. We can kind of compare. I'll leave this thing here. Okay. And then I'll go get the other one. I'll show you the other one. That's a big difference. Here, put on the other one again. Okay, and then I'm gonna see this other one again. Yeah, dude, that's a big difference, bro. This will work.
Legit, man.
So what we did was we just basically cut an angle across right here with the angle grinder using this mandrel bent right here. So the next thing we're gonna do actually is gonna make the tacks into the exhaust manifold, and after that we're gonna make the next piece coming out right here. Of our cut, so it's supposed to be going right there. Flip it over.
Boom.
Oh fuck.
No power, baby.
Oh shit. Oh dude, look at the cut. It's already perfect. Oh my. Here, we can mark it. What's up, guys? So I don't know when I last recorded, but what happened so far was that the engine was test fitted again for the headers that me and Joe mocked up. Fit perfect. Now I'm gonna finish up welding the exhaust manifold on the driver's side because that's where the steering column is. It shouldn't be an issue on the other side, so I'm just chilling there. Next step of putting in the engine in the car for the last time is I need to finish up these exhaust manifolds. I welded this up already, just deadass, don't mind that. I mean, it penetrated, it worked, but it was my first time really welding it, and it was like a big gap, so it was kind of a pain. So hopefully I can do better on this side. So yeah, let's start to welding on this side now. See what happens. So this is the final product. I mean, it looks okay. So yeah, so that's the exhaust header. The next thing that we're probably gonna do is getting the pedal assembly set up. So what happened before that I didn't record, I installed these seat mounts, gauge stick. So that's what it looks like. I spray painted what do you call it, bed liner black, and just like across right here, that's where the carpet's gonna sit. So the only thing you will see is the bed liner black. You won't see like all the overspray and stuff. Okay, so the last time you saw this was I think when I was welding up the manifold right here, and what I did off camera was I wrapped it in exhaust header wrap. So what they recommend is doing like a high temp silicone spray, which I have right here. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna spray that VHT flame proof. We're gonna spray that right now, and hopefully it turns out real good. All right, guys. So what's up? Tonight, what I plan on doing is finally getting this thing inside the car, forever. The brake lines, all the plumbing has been done. We know that the headers fit. There's nothing else in the chassis I need to modify. I welded up another stud right here as a chassis ground because there's one right here, there's one right here, and I wanted to run two chassis grounds to the engine, or engine grounds. And basically all the fabrication has been done already, and all we really need to do is bolt up everything to get the engine to the car because pills are mounted beautifully. So yeah, let's get started on trying to put this engine in the car. It is currently 8:44 p.m. and hopefully we can get this in a decent amount of time. All right, so I just lined up the motor mounts. I just lined up the motor mounts there and over there. So after I drop this, hopefully the engine should technically be in. So just want to drop. All right, guys. So the engine is in the car. It's officially mounted. The steering shaft, you see, it's clearing. Earlier it wasn't clearing because it wasn't mounted correctly. Yeah, everything else is tightened. The engine is officially back on the car, and I just have to do some little stuff now. But yeah, it's on. I'm excited. I'm gonna get to new parts of the build. I can finally put this away. It's been taking too much space in my garage, but I'm glad that it's on now. And tomorrow, we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. But I think that's it for tonight, guys. See you guys later. Peace. Bye.